Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 presentation assembly. Yes, we have made it. It's Friday, the 17th of December. We're here right at the end of the autumn term to celebrate all of those Year 5s who have been amazing throughout and earned themselves certificates. A bit of an early Christmas present for some of these children who have just been amazing and earned themselves presentation certificates. You won't see a great deal of me at all because you're just going to see amazing Year 5s. So, over to them. And we're going to start off this morning with the top 3 house points in each of the classes, and look how close it is. Miss Musselwhite's class, we've got Gemma on 58, we've got Racer on 59, we've got Dexter on 60 house points. It's 1 house point between all 3 of them. It's amazing. And then in Miss Arthurton's, we've got Eliza on 45, we've got Ruben on 48, we've got Alana on 49. Amazing. Well done, guys. Huge number of house points. Stand up in class now. Let's give you a massive cheer. And let's see if you appear in a moment earning yourself certificates as well for this autumn term. I'm sure you probably do. So let's have a little look. We're going to start off with Miss Musselwhite's mind-blowing math stars. Fantastic. We got Sapphire, we got Harry, and we got Mia. Well done, guys. Massive cheer to you guys. Really well done on your maths and your maths mastery throughout this term, and congratulations on earning your maths certificates as well. You absolute superstars. Nice early Christmas present for you all. Next, we've got Miss Musselwhite's exemplary English stars, and they certainly are exemplary. Look at those smiles as well. So we've got Caleb, we've got Gemma, we've got Amelia, and we've got Bentley. Well done, guys. Really amazing work in your English. I know Miss Musselwhite's super impressed with all of you, so well done, and keep it up. Miss Musselwhite's radiant reading stars. Now, these guys, not only are they going to be earning themselves a certificate, but they've earned themselves a reading book as well, which I'm sure they will read over Christmas. Tell me all about in the new year. So Holly, Lena, Dylan and Oliver, make sure you come and see me after the Christmas holidays and come and tell me all about the book that you read over Christmas, because I know you are reading every day. You're avid readers, so really well done, guys, and keep it up over Christmas. Congratulations. Miss Musselwhite, gifted geography stars. Look at these. There they are. See, we're seeing these children who appeared on those house points. Look, so we've got Subhan, we've got Dexter, we've got Mia, and we've got Racer. Well done, guys. Working so hard on your geography skills as well throughout. It's fantastic to see all the way through all these foundation subjects. Really well. Massive smiles. So you should be smiling because you've just earned yourselves a brilliant certificate ready for Christmas. So well done, guys. Keep it up. And Miss Musselwhite's persistent PE stars. Now, these guys have been persistent at PE, have been working really hard and trying their best in every single PE and games lesson. So we've got Lily, we've got Caleb, we've got Dylan, and we've got Lily. So really well done. Huge congratulations, guys. Keep up being fit over Christmas. Like I said, not too many sweets or not too many chocolates. Let's see if we can come back in January even fitter, doing loads of exercise over the holidays as well. So well done, guys. Congratulations. You enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. On to Miss Arthurton's English superstars. Look at these guys. Wow. So we've got Bella. Double thumbs up for Bella. Well done. We've got Sienna, Kieran and Claudia. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations on earning yourself as English certificates for working so hard throughout this whole autumn term. Really well done. Nice early Christmas present with your certificates there. So well done. And Miss Arthurton's math stars again. Look at these. Lots of thumbs up here. Oliver, Andrea, Blake and Maddie there working with a Unimacon. Amazing work there, Maddie, as well. So huge congratulations to all of you working so hard. Blake, well done, buddy. Really proud of you. Thumbs up to Andrea and Oliver as well for amazing maths and your maths mastery throughout this term. Well done. Next, we have Miss Arthurton's reading superstars, and these guys not only are going to get a certificate, but similarly, they're going to get themselves a reading book as well. So they'll be able to read all over Christmas as well. So we've got Jessica, we've got Michael, we've got Sophie, we've got Eliza. Well done, guys. Reading every single day. It's fantastic to see. Keep that up over Christmas. I no point me saying that because I know you absolutely will. Enjoy the reading books as well you've won as well, and tell me all about it in the new year as well after you've read them. Well done and congratulations. Miss Arthurton's PE superstars, look at these guys now. These guys have been keeping really fit and working so hard, but actually not only in PE and games, you should see them at break and lunchtime as well, just running about. So you've got Reggie, you've got Blake, we've got Alex, and we've got Mason. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations on earning your PE certificate, and keep yourselves fit over Christmas, okay? So again, not too many sweets or chocolates, and see if you can keep yourself really fit over Christmas as well. Well done. And then we've got Miss Arthurton's geography superstars. Look at these guys, again, working so hard on geography. And some of these children we've seen already. And some of them we've seen on the house points charts as well. So we've got Abby, we've got Reggie, we've got Jessica, and we've got Ruben, working really hard on their geography skills and really enjoying their geography as well. So really well done to all of you for Year 5. Amazing number of certificates throughout. Enjoy taking them home with you today. A nice early Christmas present for you all. Congratulations, guys. Well done, everyone, indeed. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And it just leaves me to say a very Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And please do all stay safe. Finally, as well, as you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 4th of January 2022. And the gates will be open at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all after Christmas, safe and well. So please do stay safe, stay well, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in the new year in 2022. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye now.